Welcome to African Gardening. A whole lot of pomegranate growers are faced with this question. Why are my pomegranate flowers falling? There's so many reasons why your pomegranate flowers are falling, and I'm going to be talking about them. For starters, let me explain certain aspects of the flowering of pomegranate trees. Pomegranate trees have two major types of flowers: male flowers and female flowers. There is an intermediate flower, but they're not common. So the perfect or the correct classification is male flowers and female flowers. For all varieties of pomegranate, male flowers will always drop. Female flowers will drop also, but it is only female flowers that will turn into fruits. There's a card right there on the screen. That is my other video where I took out time to explain the differences between male flowers of pomegranate trees and female flowers of pomegranate trees. It's a very interesting video, and you should watch it so that you understand the visual differences between the male flowers of pomegranate trees and the female flowers. So let's go into the different reasons why pomegranate flowers will drop. Number one, pomegranate trees that are in the juvenile stage will keep dropping flowers for quite some time. Pomegranate trees that are in at the juvenile stage are pomegranate trees that are propagated as seeds. So when you plant a pomegranate tree as a seed, in most cases it starts flowering maybe after 1 year, maybe after 2 years, or after 3 years. But immediately it starts flowering, the first sets of flowers, both male and female, they will not hold. They will all drop. Why? Because the plant is still in the juvenile stage. One thing you have to understand, when plants are in the juvenile stage, it simply means they are not yet ready to manage nutrients effectively. Because when any fruit tree flowers, it will start allocating nutrients to itself and nutrients to the flowers, which becomes fruits. So for pomegranate trees that are still in the juvenile state, that are planted as seeds, it will take a while. The juvenile stage for pomegranate trees planted as a seed can range from 2 years to 5 years, or even 6 years, depending on the variety of the pomegranate. So if you've planted your pomegranate tree as a seed, you're going to see lots and lots and lots of flower drops. So do not be alarmed. It's a natural thing that happens. It's just because your pomegranate tree was propagated as a seed. For pomegranates that have been propagated as cuttings or air-layered trees from matured fruit-producing trees, they do not have a juvenile period. As a matter of fact, the juvenile period is if they will have maybe just 2 weeks. In some cases, some of them even start holding fruit from the first flowering. But like I mentioned earlier, regardless of either is in the juvenile stage or not, the male flowers will always drop. So for the pomegranates that have been propagated as cuttings or air-layered plants, they might have just few flower drops, not as much as pomegranates that have been propagated as seeds. The second reason why your pomegranate flowers will drop is simply because of disease infestation or pest infestation. But from what I've seen, mostly any flower that's been infected with anthracnose disease will fall to the ground. You can see on the screen, that's an example of flowers that are falling. When you look at the body of the flowers, you can see they have brown patches. Those are caused by anthracnose fungal disease. Most of the flowers that are close to the ground, especially when you plant in containers and you have flowers touching the ground. If it touches the ground during the rainy season, there is a very, very high chance of that flower contracting anthracnose disease, and it will fall to the ground. The third reason why pomegranate flowers will fall to the ground is as a result of nutrient deficiency. From my experience, any tree that has a nutrient deficiency will have lots and lots of flowers dropping. Both male and female flowers will drop. Why? Simply because pomegranate is very sensitive to nutrients. When it doesn't have enough nutrients, it simply tells itself, oh, we need to drop these flowers because we don't have enough nutrients to grow the fruits. Ensure that your pomegranate tree does not lack any nutrients. The fourth reason why your pomegranate flowers will drop off is simply because of a lack of pollination by natural pollinators. Any pomegranate flower that has not been pollinated by natural pollinators like bees will drop off. So people will be wondering, how come the male flowers drop? So let me explain that. It's very, very interesting. Now, for all fruit trees that have flowers, most times the flowers are pollinated by natural pollinators. For the pomegranates, the main pollinator of pomegranate flowers are bees, sometimes flies, sometimes butterflies, but mostly bees. You can see them on the screen pollinating the flowers. Now, for bees to locate a pomegranate tree and know that, oh, there are flowers there, there has to be a whole lot of flowers. Now remember, for young pomegranate trees, they don't have that much nutrient. So if they start producing female flowers that might turn to a fruit, it becomes a problem in terms of available nutrients for the plants. So naturally, the male flowers do not take up any nutrients because they will never turn to a fruit and they're going to drop off. The male flowers, they are in large quantities, so they attract pollinators. So once the pollinators come, the female flowers show up. The sequence for pomegranate flowering is male flowers shows up, then female flowers shows up afterwards. So there's always a multitude of male flowers. As the plant gets older and older and has enough nutrients to hold more fruit, you will notice that you have less male flowers and more female flowers. And most times, when your tree has enough nutrients, you will not suffer severe flower drops. Most of the flowers will be pollinated. Here are some tips that you need to adopt and apply to prevent flower drops on your pomegranates. The first one is ensure your tree has enough nutrients. Either you planted it by seed or you propagated it as cuttings or air-layered trees. Make sure that you have enough nutrients for your pomegranate. Also, once your pomegranates start flowering, ensure you apply fertilizers that have a higher phosphorus and higher potassium content, because phosphorus is very important for flower formation and potassium is important as well for supplying the nutrients for the fruits. So they work hand in hand. Plants that are deficient in phosphorus and potassium may undergo severe flower drops. The second thing is you need to ensure that your tree is free of pests or diseases. Anthracnose disease is a very, very popular disease on pomegranate trees. So also is Sarcospora. Sarcospora actually causes defoliation of the leaves and loss of flowers, regardless of the age of the trees. These are fungal diseases that causes significant deterioration of health of the pomegranate trees, and when that happens, you will have flower drops. One other thing you need to note, when you're spraying fungicides, avoid spraying copper fungicides on flowers because sometimes the copper fungicides disrupts the pollination and then it causes flower drops as well. I do not use copper fungicides for my flowering fruit trees. I use other types of approved fungicides.